Welcome to College Candids by Campus Bound. This is Elon University.
Tell us a little bit more about Elon University.
A little bit about Elon University. We are located right in the heart of Elon, North Carolina, very much a classic college town. We are not a suitcase school. We are not a commuter school. We are a community. So a place where students can show up. Some students know exactly what they want to study. That's great. Over 50% of our students do not know what they want to study, and that's fantastic. We're a private liberal arts, medium-sized institution, 6,000 undergraduate students, about 1,000 grad students, so 7,000 total students, very much a part of this Elon community.
What's a great type of student for Elon? What makes them a good fit for your school?
They have a lot of drive, a lot of energy, a lot of ideas. We help give them and mentor them to give them direction. So drive and direction is a really important process that we go through, but restless in all the right ways. They're very driven in the sense of academically high achieving, very much want to get a lot out of their education, and are very excited and very curious students about what they want to study and the way things actually work.
And what specifically are you looking for when you're reading through applications and looking for in an applicant? And a second part of that would be, what are you looking for in an essay?
So first off, we take the holistic approach, meaning we're not just looking at numbers, we're looking at who you are as an applicant, but as a person, who are you? And a lot of that comes through with the essay and the extracurriculars. So we're going to look at a multitude of factors here when we're deciding, making decisions for undergraduate admissions, some of which are the standard. We are going to look at GPA, academic record. Did you take challenging courses? We're going to look at that information. We're going to look at SAT or ACT, and we'll also super score the SAT. So all of that is pretty much the usual route, but we also look at demonstrated interest. So telling us why you want to be here, telling us that you're excited to be at Elon, the potential of being an Elon student. What about that is exciting to you? Being specific about that, that helps an applicant stand out. It shows us that you did your homework, you did your research, and you're letting us know that you really want to be here. So aside from the essay, we have think fast questions. Those aren't meant to be long essay questions. Those are meant to be short responses, 2 to 3 sentences.
Mm-hmm.
And then our essay is supposed to be 500 words. That is not a lot of space.
Mm-hmm.
Do not try to tell your entire life story in 500 words. It does not work.
Mm-hmm.
You've lived too much life. So tell us something that's specific about you, that tells us something that you think we should know about you that isn't already communicated. But also don't be afraid to really write something that's different. Definitely answer the question. Don't want to get straight from that, but don't be afraid to write something that is a little bit out there, a little bit different, personal story, anything like that, that's going to separate you in the applicant pool.
Anything else you want to end with for our students or families?
It's going to be okay. This is a great process to go through because you're figuring out where you're going to spend your next 4 years, but really where you're going to find your next home. So that's really important, and it's can be scary and nervous and anxiety-filled process, but just know that there's a lot of people on the admissions side that can't wait to get to know you and really are excited for you to find the right fit for you as a student and as a family.
Mm-hmm.